In Japan, Christmas means fried chicken, and that's something everyone looking for. And this year, I made a Fami-Chiki style fried chicken. It's flavorful and crispy and easy to grab. Let's get started. Remove any excess fat, then slice the chicken on the diagonal so it cooks tender and evenly. Place the chicken into a tray. Grate fresh ginger and garlic and add soy sauce and mirin. Massage the seasonings gently into the chicken and let it rest for about 10 minutes. This gives the chicken savory depth. While the chicken is marinating, mix together potato starch or cornstarch, all-purpose flour, and panko in another tray. Add freshly ground black pepper if you like. Beat an egg in a separate bowl. Drain any excess marinade from the chicken. First, coat each piece evenly in the flour mixture. Shake off any excess and dip into the beaten egg, then return it to flour mixture for a second coating. Now the crispy butter is ready to fry. Gently place the chicken into the hot oil. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes until golden and crisp. Avoid touching or moving the chicken too much until the coating has set. This keeps the crust beautifully crunchy. Once fried, remove and drain on a rag. Thanks to the potato starch and panko, the coating turns extra crispy while the inside stays juicy and tender. The aroma of garlic and ginger makes this so irresistible. It's perfect for pickup and eat with your hand, just like real Fami-Chiki. It's such a simple recipe and you can still make it in time for Christmas dinner tonight. Give it a try and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families, and consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. Thanks again and I will see you soon. Bye!